Beautiful home, great location, priced right.
But there was a slow plumbing leak under the master bath. Minor issue, probably around $800 to fix. They didn't know about it.
Well, but the inspector found it. And the buyer's first question was?
What else is wrong with this house?
That's right. And the deal almost fell through. Why? Because $800?
Roof issues, HVAC problems, plumbing leaks, electrical concerns, fix these. Not because they're expensive, because they destroy buyer confidence.